Hi everyone, this is my iMac 2011, as you know, 27-inch. As you know, the previously made a video how to bake in the GPU can help fix a computer if you have, for example, green lines on screen, freezes, shows the white striped screen, vertical artifacts, or other systems slowdowns. Unusually, the video chip is to blame, and this is no problem in internet. Today I have finished my experiments, which actually lasted about 10 years. What can I say about this? Baking does help you, but each time it becomes less effectivity. The first baking extended the life of your computer by 3 years. Then I did another bake and lasted about 2 more years. I did another one and again it worked for about 2 years. What I noticed is that if you use a game or graphics programs, the GPU fails faster after baking. Most recently I baked it again about 4 months ago, and lasted 1-2 months while the computer was in regular use. And today I got a black screen. Interestingly, the computer still continuously to work. I can lock it remotely and see the desktop, but the display no longer shows as a 27-inch screen. Instead, it appears as a regular 23-inch monitor with resolution at 1024 up to 714. That's why today we'll try to fix this issue with my video GPU card, K2100M graphics cards, which I have already purchased in pre-flashed for iMac. If you buy just standard card like this, it will not work properly and you still need to flash it. Sometimes that can be difficult for many users. That is why it's better to get a card that has already been flashed to your computer according to BIOS system. Why I choose K2100M? Next, I think for a simple reason. It has one of the lowest power consumption levels, and since I mainly use Office programs, it suits me perfectly. I also want to mention that I will use it iMac format rather than iMac format, because 20-inch iMacs usually use B-type B formats, while for 21-inch models use R types. Nevertheless, today I will be testing this out. Okay. By the way, you should clean all your Mac because you will have many dust, and you should do it maybe in 1 year. Optimal do it more often, but I think nobody do this. So it's each for 8 GB RAM. One and two. Okay. Okay. So we remove it. So now we should unplug this all screws. Let's take our screwdriver. Little change maybe. Okay, no problem. for each is okay. And we will start to unscrew all screws. I don't know how it's the optimal will be do what I will be unscrew, but I think it will be okay. So let's start. Please do same position all screws because it's not same. So you should unscrew according to your scheme like in iMac. Okay, it's okay. Next screw. Also, we should unplug that. And then we should unplug all the screws. So we have unplugged it. And we should go careful to try to open that. You also should unplug in the backwards. All screens. They have some problem because it's not easy to do it correctly. It's not easy, friends. So we'll try to do something manipulation. I don't know how to. Okay. We should do like a little. Very full. Okay. Also, we have many connectors from other sides. I don't know. Did you see it? But I disconnect the first power connection to the GPU or motherboard. It's big connectors. It's many wires. So yes, first we disconnect it. And what we have? SATA data cable, second data cable data, and 2 plugs. So okay, we have done. We have this main board, and now we should unscrew all this GPU. GPU is video card, is situated there, and we should also unplug it, and we will see what we can do. Yes, we have unplugged this main video cards, cooling system, and temp sensor. So we remove this temp sensor because we should unplug this all. Then we should remove few screws in same position. It's a little small. Okay. Okay. We unscrew it. We have done. Then we try to remove it. It's not easy. Firstly, I hope it will be more. Oh, okay. We have found also. I don't. Did you see it? We have in this case also one screw which cannot to open that. So we try like this. Yes, we can open and screw back for easy. So next time I don't want to found looking that to all my room. Okay, so now we fully can open our video card. Yes, one screw, two screws. So it's all GPU, problem GPU Radeon, I don't remember, HD 79 or something else. This card was baking for for 5 times maybe baking. So you can see that video card has some golden colors of the plate, like gold, rusty gold. Yes, now we should remove these screws. Then we can open this video card. So let's try. Okay, so it's our baking video card, and we just try to open. Oh my god, I cannot do this easy. Because it's thermal paste, it looks like glue. Just looking for it. It's many many thermal pastes. because this thermopastis was applied I think for 4 months ago. So now we will remove all that thermal paste and clean all surface, and then we'll try to do next steps. Finally, I found solution. For each RAM we use 1 millimeters, and this we use 2 layer up to 1.5 millimeters each, so total will be 3 millimeters. So we will try to do thermal paste. I think it should be a little more thermal paste because that cooling should be excellent, and I use MX46. I don't know how much I need, but I will take a little more because I don't want any airflow between cooling and plate, GPU and plate. So maybe it's a little more. I think it's okay. I hope it will work good, because I will test it. This system will run. So now we have it head. So we have like this. Okay, now we just need to put it to the cooling plate and see what will happen. Cooling plates. We used previously old screws, so we will try to start. Yeah, I hope it will work good. And let's try. I hope it will be good. I very hope. Okay. 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 A little more. Okay, the new K2100M video card is installed to old iMac 2712 2011, so we will try to do them next. So also I updated new thermal pass to CPU, so I do not do this on video because it's similar procedure and I think you know how to do it. So next step is install that to the iMac. It's most difficult process like for me, because you should connect all this property, all this should be correctly, and also you should stay this very So finally I will complete construct all that iMac. So what you should do firstly, connect this cable, then you should connect this cable, camera, Wi-Fi boards, that we do not switch this LCD, this, microphone. Then we go into this plate. It's IR sensor that's also connected. Then and then and now. So now I not screw it because I want to test it with new video card. So it looks like this. By the way, yes, it looks not good, but it's for one part, so it's okay. We will try. So I very hope it will work with new firmware. So I have ones, and I believe that will work. So what we will do next? Now we just connect this LCD matrix, LCD panel, and then we will start it and try. So it's moment a little nervous, but we will try. So okay, it's so I connected the power cable and we will try. Oh no. It's terrible because it's black screen. Oh no, good. Okay, but it's no control of this. Okay, maybe I will try to refresh this card. So okay.